Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the Smart Tutoring. In this video, we are discussing the second part of the science sample paper of CBSE Class 10 Term 1 examination December 2021. The question paper contains three sections, Section A, B and C. The Section A is already discussed in the previous video. Then in this video, we are discussing the Section B. Section B contains 24 questions and you have to attempt only 20 questions from these sections. Okay, the first one, question number 25. Limestone on heating gives a product X and carbon dioxide, and this product X on reaction with water gives liquid lime. Identify the correct option from the given table which represent the type of reactions occurring in step 1 and step 2. Here the correct option is option C, that is step 1 is endothermic and step 2 is exothermic. Here first step, limestone is heated and produces calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. X is calcium oxide and this calcium oxide on reaction with water gives liquid lime, and this reaction is exothermic and the first one is endothermic. Question number 26. Here the pH value of the rainwater of some years given and identify in which year is the concentration of hydrogen ion the highest. Here the answer is option A, 2002. In 2002, the concentration of hydrogen ion is the highest because in 2002 is the pH value is minimum, and when the pH value is lower, higher the concentration of ions. Question number 27. The diagram shows the reaction between metal and dilute acid. What is the reason for different behavior of magnesium in test tube B? Here the correct answer is option B. Magnesium reacts with the dilute HCl to produce hydrogen gas which helps in floating. Magnesium on reaction with the dilute HCl produces hydrogen gas, and this hydrogen gas sticks on the magnesium metal and helps to float. Question number 28. The table shown below gives information about four substances A, B, C and D. Identify ionic compounds from the above given substances. So here the properties of ionic compounds are given: melting point and electrical conductivity. Generally, ionic compounds have high melting point and they conduct electricity in the liquid or aqueous form and do not conduct in solid form. So here the correct option is option B, B, C. So B and C are the ionic compounds. Question number 29. Vinay observed that the stain of curry on a white shirt becomes reddish brown when soap is scrubbed on it, but it turns yellow again when the shirt is washed with plenty of water. What might be the reason for his observation? Here the correct option is option B, 2 and 3. That is, soap is basic in nature. Turmeric is a natural indicator which gives reddish tinge with bases. Question number 30. In which of the following setups would the bulb glow? The correct answer is option B, 1 and 4. In cases 1 and 4, dilute HCl and lime water is taken in the beaker, and these two conduct electricity and therefore the bulb will glow in both two cases. And in case 2 and 3, alcohol and sugar solution are taken. They do not conduct electricity and so the bulb will not glow. Question number 31 to 35 consist of two statements, assertion and reason. Answer these questions selecting the appropriate option given below. Option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B, both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is true and R is false. D, A is false but R is true. Question number 31, assertion. Fresh milk in which baking soda is added takes a longer time to set as curd. Reason, baking soda decreases the pH value of fresh milk to below 6. The correct option is option C. A is true but R is false. That is, the assertion statement is true but the reason statement is false. Question number 32. Assertion: decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is an endothermic reaction. Reason: decomposition reaction involves breakdown of a single reactant into simpler products. Here the correct option is option D. A is false and R is true. Question number 33. Assertion: resins and gums are stored in old xylem tissue in plants. Reason: resins and gums facilitate transport of water molecules. Here the correct answer is option C. A is true but R is false. Question number 34. Assertion: sky appears blue in the daytime. Reason: white light is composed of 7 colors. Here the correct option is option B. That is, both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 35. The table given below shows the reaction of a few elements with acids and bases to evolve hydrogen gas. Which of these elements form amphoteric oxide? Here the correct answer is option B, B and D. The elements B and D reacts with both acids and bases to evolve hydrogen gas. Question number 36. In which of the following groups of organisms blood flows through the heart only once during one cycle of passage through the body? Correct answer is option D, shark, dogfish, stingray. Question number 37. What is common between extensive network of blood vessels around walls of alveoli and in glomerulus of nephron? Correct answer is option D, thin-walled capillaries richly supplied with blood. Question number 38. Plants use completely different process for excretion as compared to animals. Which one of the following processes is not followed by plants for excretion? Answer is option B. They selectively filter toxic substances through their leaves. Question number 39. The power of a lens is minus 4 diopter. Then it means that the lens is a correct answer is option C. Concave lens of focal length minus 25 cm. Question number 40. Rays from the sun converges at a point 15 cm in front of a concave mirror. Where should an object be placed so that size of its image is equal to the size of the object? Answer is option A, 30 cm in front of the mirror. Question number 41. In which of the following groups of organisms food material is broken down outside the body and then absorbed in? The correct answer is option B, yeast, mushroom, bread mold. Question number 42. In a person, the tubular part of the nephron is not functioning at all. What will its effect be on urine formation? Answer is option D, urine is more diluted. Question number 43. If the real image of a candle flame formed by a lens is 3 times the size of the flame, the distance between the lens and the image is 80 cm. At what distance should the candle be placed from the lens? Here the answer is option D, minus 80 by 3 cm. Question number 44. While looking at the above diagram, Nalini concluded the following. First statement, the image of the object will be a virtual one. Second one, the reflected ray will travel along the same path as the incident ray but in opposite direction. Third one, the image of the object will be inverted. Fourth one, this is a concave mirror and hence the focal length will be negative. Which one of the above statements are correct? Here the answer is option C, 2, 3 and 4. These 3 statements are correct. Question number 45. In the above diagram, light is traveling through different media. It is noted by a scientist that angle 1 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 4, but angle 2 less than angle 1. Which of the following statement would be correct? The correct statement is option D. Medium 1 and 3 are essentially the same medium, but medium 2 is denser than 1 and 3. Question number 46. The refractive index of flint glass is 1.65 and that for alcohol is 1.36 with respect to air. What is the refractory index of the flint glass with respect to alcohol? Answer is option B, 1.21. Question number 47. The above lens has a focal length of 10 cm. The object of height 2 mm is placed at a distance of 5 cm from the pole. Find the height of the image. Here the answer is option C, 4 mm. Question number 48. A cable manufacturing unit tested few elements on the basis of their physical properties. Which of the above elements were discarded for usage by the company? Here the answer is option B, X, Y, Z. Now section B is over. Section C will be discussed in the next video. Thank you for watching.